Bring your real estate to life on your website with InReal Vision. Get captivating, interactive 3D tours of your properties to attract more potential buyers or tenants through a unique virtual viewing experience. Your prospects will be able to switch between the settings in real time to see how the property will look at daylight, dawn, night, or sunset. They can also view it in different weather, sunny, cloudy, or rainy. To change time and weather, they just need to use controls at the top of the screen. One doesn't need a powerful computer or any additional software for that. All the functions will be already integrated into your website and ready to use. Your potential buyers will be able to view the entire property and explore all the important areas in detail. They can examine every amenity listed in the left tab. To get a clearer view of the amenities, they can hide this tab if necessary. By navigating to the Unit Search tab, your prospects will get the opportunity to see available apartments and compare different layouts using convenient filters. Once they pick a unit they like, they can go inside its interior by clicking on the 3D View tab. They can navigate the property using WASD keys if they're on a keyboard. If not, clickable interactive points will allow them to explore the interior. There's a mini-map on the right for easy navigation. They can also adjust the time of the day and the outside weather in the same way as shown before. These are the primary features that would interest your clients. But if you'd like to include something extra, our team is always open to your ideas. We are ready to fulfill your needs by adding any elements and features you might need.